Today, let's learn how to fix Reddit. No sound. Now, if this has been a recurring problem nowadays, because some people are actually heading on to their Reddit accounts and having the problem that they can't hear any videos on their Reddit mobile app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix just that and how to regain sound on your Reddit mobile app. Okay, so over here, let's actually head on to Reddit on the application itself, which should be over here once we searched for Reddit right there. Okay, let's actually now scroll down over here on this specific video and let's see if the sound would play or not. So let's find for our video right now. All right, so once you're here, you may have encountered the option that you can't hear the video. Well, actually, what you actually need to do is to make sure that you have your volume maxed out. So let's actually make sure that we have a volume maxed out, and we do have our volume maxed out already. And that's one solution. And again,